Imagine a home, not bound by walls, not limited by land, but one that moves with you, carrying elegance, innovation, and freedom wherever the road may lead. Welcome to the future of travel, the luxury double-decker futuristic motorhome. From the very first glance, this isn't just a motorhome. It's a villa on wheels, a fusion of futuristic automotive design and modern architectural elegance. With its glossy pearl-white body and sleek panoramic windows stretching across 2 full levels, this motorhome looks more like a futuristic skyscraper turned mobile. The glowing LED strips along the stairs and underbody not only light the path but also announce its presence like a moving landmark. Sitting on wide multi-axle chrome wheels, it delivers the commanding stance of power and prestige, while the aerodynamic front fascia reflects the art of future mobility. From the rear, the design continues to impress. Sleek black panoramic glass windows extend across both decks, catching sunlight with subtle reflections that enhance its pearl-white finish. Sculpted aerodynamic lines flow seamlessly into glowing LED taillights, while the sheer size and stance remind you this is more than a motorhome. It's a luxury experience on wheels. Step inside, and you're welcomed by a driver's cabin unlike any other. A panoramic curved windshield opens up breathtaking views of the road ahead, while a holographic HUD display projects real-time navigation and driving data directly onto the glass. The plush white leather captain's chairs, detailed with diamond stitching, promise both comfort and authority for the driver and co-pilot. Touchscreens, glowing ambient LEDs, and futuristic illuminated controls make this cockpit feel less like a driver's seat and more like the command center of a starship. Beyond the cockpit lies a space designed not just for travel, but for living in absolute comfort. The luxurious lounge stretches wide, blending futuristic minimalism with timeless elegance. White leather sofas wrap around a sleek glass coffee table, illuminated by hidden LED strips that glow softly beneath the furniture and along the ceiling. Panoramic side windows flood the lounge with natural light, making every journey feel open and alive. And when it's time to unwind, a built-in widescreen entertainment system transforms this lounge into a private cinema on the road. Continue deeper, and you'll find the master bedroom suite, a sanctuary of peace and sophistication. At the center rests a king-size bed, with a glowing illuminated headboard that doubles as mood lighting. Wrapped in soft beige linens and framed by polished white finishes, the room feels like a luxury hotel suite. Only this one moves with you. Floor-to-ceiling windows with motorized blinds let you wake up to the sunrise, or drift off under a starry sky, wherever you choose to park. Built-in wardrobes and futuristic furniture maintain elegance while keeping everything seamless and clutter-free. Every corner of this double-decker motorhome is designed with purpose, elegance, and modern luxury. The interior doesn't just provide space, it provides an experience of lifestyle. Ambient lights adjust automatically, furniture adapts to your needs, and the panoramic windows ensure that no matter where the road takes you, you'll always have the best view. Now picture this incredible home in motion. On the open highway, this double-decker motorhome glides effortlessly, its massive frame cutting through the air with grace. Sunlight dances across the pearl-white body as wheels spin with subtle motion blur, while LED strips glow like a beacon of futuristic design. From the front, it commands attention. From the rear, it leaves behind an impression of sophistication and strength. This isn't just travel, it's a rolling statement of luxury and innovation. And while the design captures your eyes, it's the possibilities that capture your imagination. This motorhome represents freedom without compromise. The freedom to explore vast landscapes while carrying a penthouse suite with you. The freedom to journey across highways, coastlines, and cities without leaving behind the comfort of home. And the freedom to live the future, today. Let us know in the comments below if you enjoyed this glimpse into the future of travel. Make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our next showcase of futuristic luxury and innovation. Because here, the journey isn't just about where you go, it's about how you live while getting there.